All right. Good afternoon to all our viewers. Thank you so much for tuning in to our live this afternoon. Maayong hapon kanaton tanan. Welcome to our online session about what is a laboratory cooperative and what is DCCCO Youth Zone Laboratory Cooperative. So let me share my screen. But before that, allow me to call on the chairperson of the Education Training and Information Committee to introduce our host for this afternoon.
Hello everyone! Welcome to our Facebook Live session. Kami ang Ethic Committee or Education Training and Information Committee. So I am Meiko Bihed, the Vice Chairperson of DYZLC and Chairperson of Ethic Committee. Along with me is some fantastic individuals, which is Ria Jill Pancho, our Vice Chairperson, and the wonderful Jasmine Swerty, our secretary. And last but certainly not the least, our lovely host, our youth program coordinator, Miss Honey Grepon.
Thank you so much. Okay, so now ako sang ko ipin ang atong mga host sa ato ang screen. Okay lang, gamay lang ha, ato sa ning ipang pin sila for a while. Okay. Gamay lang jud ka ayo. Pin. Basin na nga libat na mo dirang dapita. So while I'm pinning the host, maybe we can read some messages sa ato ang comment section. Naa ba tay mga messages dira, Jazz? Nagtanaw kasi mong Facebook karon, naa ba tay mga messages?
Yes, okay. Searching. Ako sang i-search minsan. Dong
Mm-mm.
i-check for a while lang, ha? So, as of now, nag-hello si Miss Joy Vance. Hello ninyo, good afternoon. And kay Ma'am Georgia Macia Santero. Hello, Ma'am. Thank you kayo sa pag-watch sa atoong live karon. And sa atong 20 viewers, thank you kayo sa paglantaw. Hello ninyo guys, good afternoon. Hey.
Thank you so much sa ato ang mga live viewers, and thank you Miss Jasmine for reading our mga greetings sa atong comment section. Okay. So napint na tanan di ay atong mga host, no? Ako ang gi-stop atong share screen para makita tanan ang mga nawong sa atong mga host. Muni sila atong mga members sa Education Training and Information Committee, atong mga educators diri sa atong gamay nga co-op sa DCCCO Youth. So without further ado, let's move to our topic. So let me share my screen. Ayan.
According to Philippine Cooperative Code of 2008, a cooperative organized by minors shall be considered a laboratory cooperative and must be affiliated with a registered cooperative. So, kami nga mga youth na a little explanation about this is kami nga mga youth nag-start og club where kami ang work nga like we work together like a mini business. So we call it a laboratory cooperative because we're experimenting and learning as we go. Just like scientists in a lab, but to make sure they're doing things right and staying safety, they need some grown-up help. That's where a registered cooperative comes in, or amo ang guardian co-op. It's like having a big brother or sister who knows the ropes and can show them how to run their club smoothly. So by teaming up with our registered cooperative, we can turn our ideas into something real while having fun and learning along the way. So ang laboratory cooperative refers to a cooperative forms and managed primary by minors. Then,
Okay, so thank you, Miss Madam Chair. Okay, now ako na po akong i-explain unsa man ang cooperative. So good afternoon everyone. My name is Jasmine. So what exactly is cooperative? Kung makadungog tag word nga cooperative, unsa man dyoy mabutang sa atong hunahuna. So ang cooperative di guys, it is autonomous association of persons. Meaning ang autonomous association kay it refers to a group or organization that operates independently. So without being controlled or influenced by outside forces like the government or other organization. So for example, gani ka ng clubs gani sa school, nga mag-make sila og own decision on unsang activities ilang buhaton, how to run things, and we are self-governing and make our own rules. So muna ang autonomous association. We are united voluntarily. So, dili ni siya pinugsanay. Muna nang pagsulot sa cooperative, it is more siya voluntarily jud nga kita mosulot. And it is designed to meet the common economic, social, and cultural needs and aspirations. We are jointly owned and democratically controlled enterprise. And ang cooperative food, ang ilang pagkuan po ani kay it is mutual help or assistance. Okay, next slide please. Now, let me explain what is DYZLC. Ang ato ang lab co-op kay gitawag og DYZLC. Pero unsa man jud ang DYZLC? So DYZLC, it is a laboratory cooperative of DCCO Multipurpose Cooperative. Muna ang mother co-op sa atong DYZLC. And we are recognized sa Cooperative Development Authority or CDA as DCCO Youth Zone Laboratory Cooperative on December 18, 2018. So muna ang full name sa DYSLC, DCCO Youth Zone Laboratory Cooperative. Now, may I call on Ms. Ria Jill to tell us sa mga branches sa DYSLC.
Thank you, Ms. Jasmine. So, hello everyone. Now, let us familiarize the branches of DCCCO Youth Zone Laboratory Cooperative. So, we have one in Dumaguete, Bais, Bayawan, Gihulngan, Siquijor, San Carlos, Kabangkalan, Sibulan, and Karkar. Wow, daghan kayo no. So, kinsa diri ang gapuyo ani nga mga lugar, comment lang mo down below. And sa mga places nga dili duol ani, next slide miss please. So dili ka mabala ka because we also have our satellite offices here at Bacong Central Arcade, Kalindagan, Valencia, Shaton, Tanhay, Mabinay, Ayungon, Kanlaon, Hinubaan, and Lazi. So kinsa tong mga duol ani nga mga satellite offices, you can join lang gyud and comment down below if interested mo nga mo join aning atuang DYZLC. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, Miss Rhea Jill. So, ila nag-explain what is a lab co-op, what is DYZLC, and where can you find our offices, the branches, and the satellite offices. Now, if you are interested, we have two ways in order to know more about DYZLC. So, pwede mong maka-appeal sa atong PMES or Pre-Membership Education Seminar or PMEW, that's online, pre-membership education webinar. So all of this kaning duha are free, wala mo'y bayaran. So kanusa man ang schedule, kay depende man na sa inyong availability. We have at 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. So this is during office hours. You can visit our office from Tuesdays to Saturdays except holidays. No? You can submit your forms afterwards. So mag-bring lang pud ta sa atong mga requirements like 2x2 pictures, photocopy of birth certificate, and our deposit. So PMES is conducted face-to-face. And this is the first requirement to open an account or become a member of DYCLC. If dili mo available for a face-to-face seminar, we have online. Okay, unsaon man mo check ta sa atong Facebook page or you can screenshot ang PowerPoint nga makita ninyo sa atong screen. Na atay schedule every 9 a.m. and 2 p.m. every Saturday ni siya. Okay, every Saturday via Zoom, through Zoom. So kindly download the Zoom, open your, of course, connect to the internet. Then by Saturday, log in using the meeting ID and passcode provided in your screen. So this is a convenient and alternative mode of applying membership through digital means. So see you sa atong mga webinars kay kaning naadri karon nga mga host, they will be handling our orientation. So kita-kits. Okay, now let's have a sharing. So karon akong interviewhon ang atuang mga active DYZLC officers kabahin aning tulo ka mga questions nga naa diri. So ako i-stop share so that you can really see if they are telling the truth. Makita man na sa nawong. Okay. So let's start with the first question. What made you decide to join DYZLC? Kinsa man ang gi-encourage ngano mo naka-decide nganong mo-appeal? Okay, let's start with May.
Um, ako miss, na I have decided nga mo appeal sa DCCO tungod kay ay akong papa kay nag-encourage na ako nga mo appeal sa DCCO miss tungod kay nakita niya nga ang DCCO is a good environment where we can learn about financial literacy and how to manage our finances really well. So and like it's a good thing at we can bring it into sa future miss nga we can manage our money really well and makakuan sad mi and we can meet new friends like yung miss from different cities and more miss.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next would be Rachel, then afterwards Jasmine.
So, ako miss, since akong papa is trabahante sa BCCCO, that's our mother co-op.
Shout out.
So, I was a member. So shout out to Papa George Pancho. So, I was a member since I was 7 years old. And I think I was not aware that I was a member not until I was 12 years old, high school ko na nga time. Then, I decided na mag-save up na with my own money so that budaghan mayo ako ang money like maipon man siya dito sa DCCCO, DY Youth Zone Laboratory Cooperative, and dili siya magasto sa mga once gani na ako nga pakalit lang na ako nga ganahan and dili man din ako need.
Correct. And Jasmine?
So in my case, Miss Honey, kanang I was still young pa jud nga nang ni-join pug ko sa DYZLC, and both of my parents member sila sa DCCO. So pagkabalo nila nga ang kids di ay kay pwede sila ka-join, they immediately applied for membership para sa kuha ug sa akong sister mo nang nahimo kong member sa DCCO and DYZLC, and I'm really thankful nga ila kong gi-encourage nga mo join ani nga lab ko.
Wow, that's very nice to hear na supportive kay inyong mga parents para sa inyong future and gitudluan na mo nga mag-save para maka-manage sa inyong finances. Okay. Now, ako pong pangutan-on, kay dugay naman mo nga mga members sa DYZLC, what are the services that you have availed so far? And is it beneficial to you as a student?
Ako ang na-avail ng mga services miss kay like insurance katong so kitong sa passbook miss
Savings?
kana savings dayon and katong time deposit miss
Wow.
and ang naka-help ang DCCO sa kuha because it give me confidence and capability to make sound financial decision as I grow older miss dayon financial education nga nakakuan kong education at a young age, and makamanage na ko sa akong own money while napa ko sa akong teenage years miss and Mura to.
Okay, thank you. Okay, how about Rhea Jill?
So far, Miss, I have availed the youth savings, and it is so beneficial to me kay it encouraged me to save more kay kuan man it helps me to keep my money safe in a safe place. Then usa pod ang DYVLC nag-offer siya og interest sa iyong savings. So not only safe ako ang savings sa DYVLC, motubo sad siya annually.
Wow, that's good. And how about Jasmine?
The same pod nila, Miss Han, nang ako pod naka-avail pod sa savings na to nya. I believe kani siya nga service good kay maka-help jud siya sa mga kids and youth. Kay especially if like naa sila'y balon gani nya kanang naa sila'y nabiling balon, ang ilang i-think jud normally kay murag kani ako ni siya ipalit og something inana. Nya mo man pod na akong una-una sa una pero um, this for a while lang na kay na ako iring na ni naas lamisa. Sorry. So, kani siya nakatabang jud siya kay more siya instead of ah ako siyang igasto sa akong wants. Kani siya akong savings naka-help siya nako sa akong future. And kana pong services na for example, trainings, webinars, katong niagi nga leadership trainings o katong financial literacy nga trainings kato jud naka-help jud siya sa ako. I believe it was the most beneficial sa ako on kay as a student it really helped me nga makabuild gani og confidence gani and kanang especially kanang leadership training like kanang mahimong leader mo lead inaana and kana pong being a financial literate jud pod kanang for example pod kato akong giingon nga dito na ko na-realize jud nga gastador jud di ay ko no. So sa financial literacy dira na ko na-realize nga unsa joy kalahian sa needs and wants ug unsa jud ang importance sa savings. So um ang DYZLC, ang ilang mga products and services, it really helps me sa akoong personal growth as a person.
Wow. No? This young females here, no? Kay mga bata pa yun sila to tell you mga below 17. So all our live viewers, daghan ko ni silang makuha gikan ninyo no nga even though you are young, kabalo na mo save and sa so good, I know, makulbaan jud mo moapil og mga trainings, especially dili mo kaila sa inyuhang mga kauban sa training. But thank you so much for appreciating sa benefits nga nakuha ninyo out of those trainings like financial literacy, leadership. So diri sa DYCLC dili lang ni siya tigom-tigom kundi napo ni siya murag social advocacy nga maka-help pod sa skills, sa learnings and sa talent sa mga kabataan. Okay, for our third question, okay, kinaan namang good mo diri sa atong cooperative. Will you promote the purposes and goals of DYCLC to your friends and loved ones? Why?
Ako miss, ako gud i-promote ang DCCO since dako jud ako ang I'm thankful kayo ko sa DCCO miss kay as I grow older dagan gud kayo ko nanang nakatuna na miss ba kay sukad bata pa ko member naman jud ko and dan ko nga dili ra ako ang maka benefit sa mga gihatag nga mga services sa DCCO miss. Gan ko nga try po ang uban. So, ako dyan siyang i-promote miss. And,
Wow. Thank you. Okay, Raya Jill.
Of course kayo Miss Toy bigyas yun na ang pag-share sa ato ang DYVLC. Since beneficial man siya kayo para nako, ako sad i-share ang benefit sa ato ang DYVLC sa akong families and friends so that they could also avail the benefits na ihatag sa ato ang DYVLC.
Wow. And Jasmine?
So sa ako pod atihan, yes of course kana I would be happy good nga i-promote ang purposes o goals sa atoong love co-op, especially sa akong friends ug sa akong loved ones kay ganan po ko nga sila maka-experience pod sila sa unsa akong na-experience sa atong love co-op like ang benefits sa atoong sa DYZLC unya I want them pod to help since I've mentioned earlier nga, ang DYSLC, it really helps in in my personal development as a person, and like I would also want everyone to achieve their goal for their personal growth, and by spreading the word or by spreading about DYSLC nga, I hope people have or more people will access our lab co-op. Yes.
So makatouch kayo paminawon ang inyong mga sharings this afternoon. I'm very proud that you have really gone a long way na gyud sa ato ang cooperative, and generous po kaayo mo nga ipadayag ang kaayuhan sa uban, kay it's a good trait that dili ninyo murabag ihagol lang ang inyong blessings, but you want it to share pod sa others. Daghan pa man yung mga kabataan sa Pilipinas ang wala pa nakabalo about DYZLC and what the benefits and the services that we can offer. Okay, thank you so much our Ethicom officers, and sa tanan nato mga live viewers, naa pa ba tay mga ni comment nga wala pa nato nabasa kay aton tagan sila chance nga i-shout out ang ilang mga greetings.
Okay, so ni comment de ay si Miss Marian Barshal. Ana siya, hello everyone. Hello, good afternoon, Marian. And naapod si Francel Katakutan. Good afternoon, sir. Okay. So far, muna atong comments nga na kitan sa atong live karon, Miss Han.
Okay, thank you so much to all those who commented, and salamat po sa mga ni-share sa ato ang react sa ato ang live this afternoon. I hope and pray that you are doing well. Continue to fulfill your mission here sa ato ang kalibutan, and God bless and have a nice day. Goodbye everyone, and see you sa next na to nga episode. Bye.